So we have been talking about this project for a long time and coordinating and trying to best time it. And we knew we needed to completely rebuild the road. And so that began the process of working with the city of how the road would be laid out. You know, the traffic lanes, the bike lanes, any multimodal amenities that it would have to be added to it. And so there began the planning to build this project, basically literally from below ground up to have what we have today.
The project in its entirety was taking it all the way down below the, I guess you'd consider the subgrade, taking utilities out, right? Some of our oldest utilities in the community were under this road. And so going in, taking all that out, replacing utility lines, water sewer lines, and then redoing the actual road itself, narrowing the traffic lanes so it calmed the traffic a little bit more, adding a beautiful bike path along the river, and create a means for our community to be out and socialize in an active way.
But I would say the water quality impacts on this were actually, it's something nobody sees and nobody is even aware that we did, but I think it's one of the most interesting parts of this project. It's the riverbank restoration and how we worked to reroute stormwater to eliminate some stormwater outfalls into the Mississippi River. It's a beautiful amenity throughout the state, and so anything that we can do to contribute to it staying cleaner, we want to do that, especially when it seemed like it was so easy to do it.
So this is a county roadway, and so the county really focuses on the road, but the City of Sartell also wanted to connect people to the Mississippi River, and it was their opportunity to do so. In doing that, we created the pedestrian bridge by connecting people to the river that way. On the bridge itself, it's lighting up the pathway, but then there's also lights to light up the beams and columns. It's color changing, so the city can change it for different occasions, different holidays. So the lighting in this project was fairly extensive with having those 3 different kind of main lighting features.
Again, this is a county road, and yet it's within the heart of our city. We can't, as a city leadership, we can't say, hey, that's a county problem. We can't say it's a contractor problem. We all have to own it. We all have to come together, and in this project we truly did.
I think both the city and the county learned a whole new appreciation for each other and working together, and to have it done and to see how nice the road turned out and how it better serves the traffic in the community, it's a relief and it's a sense of accomplishment.